Best HM1 Block 21. Welcome to my IoT reaction video. I just want to share my insight on its benefits, risks, and impact on society. What is IoT? IoT, or Internet of Things, describes devices with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet or other communication networks. The IoT encompasses electronics, communication, and computer science engineering. The term IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices and the cloud, as well as between the devices themselves.
Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take.
Advantages of IoT. Number 1. Enhanced efficiency. The integration of IoT enables automation and real-time monitoring, enhancing overall operational efficiency. IoT streamlines tasks from smart homes to industrial processes, reduces manual intervention, and optimizes resource utilization. Number 2. Data collection and analysis. IoT devices generate large amounts of data, offering valuable insights into user behavior, preferences, and systems performance. This data-driven approach facilitates informed decision-making, helping businesses and individuals adapt to changing conditions. Number 3. Improve productivity. In an industrial setting, IoT enhances productivity by providing real-time visibility into equipment status and production processes. This proactive monitoring minimizes downtime, streamlines workflows, and ensures optimal utilization of resources. Disadvantage of IoT. Number 1. Security concerns. The interconnected nature of IoT devices raises significant security challenges. Vulnerabilities in one device can compromise the entire network, leading to data breaches, privacy issues, and unauthorized access. Number 2. Privacy issues. The extensive data collection by IoT devices raises concerns about user privacy. Personal information, habits, and preferences are often transmitted and stored, raising ethical questions about how this data is used and protected. Number 3. Complexity in implementation. Implementation IoT solutions can be complex, requiring integration across diverse devices, platforms, and protocols. This complexity can lead to interoperability challenges, making it difficult for devices from different manufacturers to work seamlessly together.
Get to the moon, just like a movie scene. Table for two.
My personal insights. I would use IoT for its convenience, like smart lighting and security systems, but with caution, ensuring strong security measures such as encryption and regular updates is crucial to minimizing risks.
No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Conclusion. IoT enhances daily life by making tasks easier and businesses more efficient. However, security risks should not be ignored. Overall, IoT, or Internet of Things, is beneficial but society must balance innovation with cybersecurity to ensure safety and privacy.